What's up, gamers? Doing my channel for my 100th video. I've been doing pretty good. I would stay at steady rate, but it's not. It's all over the fucking place. But hey, for the 15 people that stayed here, thank you. That means a lot. But yeah, I'm deleting it. I don't want to have nothing to do with it. Hopefully you enjoy the videos that you see, cause it's not coming back. I don't know what I'll be doing, tell you the truth. And it's crazy cause it's my 100th video. But yeah, thank you guys so much. You have helped me through a lot. But I think it's time to toss in the hat and say I'm done. Cause it's getting rough. So I don't know what to do from here. But I got this picture for you. You will like it a lot. Okay? Let's take a really close look at it together. You should enjoy it. It's really nice. Come on, you got this. Yeah, there you go. Don't be shy. There you go. See you later.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying